Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about face oils. There are so many face oils on the market and we keep wondering what is the difference between each face oil. Now there are two types of face oils that are there on the market. One is a face oil that you use before makeup. Now that is silicone based and it will give your face a shine, and it's a lovely oil that really goes on, and in the same oil you can have gold or you can have silver, and it gives a beautiful shine to the face before you put on the makeup, but it only stays on top of the skin. There's another kind of oil that we have, and that is a skin oil. Now this oil is made out of vegetable oils and essential oils, and it goes into the skin, it seeps into the skin, and it helps to balance out your skin. So this oil is used after you cleanse your face, and then you use a little bit of this oil, and you can use a moisturizer on top of this oil. This is good for oily skin, for dry skin, for combination skin, also for aging skin, and it helps to balance out the skin. While you're sitting at home, I'm going to show you how you can do a massage. It is just a 5-minute massage, and it's best done at night after you've removed your makeup. Put this little skin oil on your massage, on your hands, and you can use this on your face. And there we have different types of skin oils for every type of skin. So take a few drops. Now, if you are a cream person, you can use a cream. That's no problem at all. And now let's start. First apply it all over the face and the neck. Don't forget your neck. And then we start with the top, one hand following the other, the forehead. Do this about 10 to 15 times, even 20 times is fine. Then press up your eyebrows. This is a very relaxing, relieves tension. Then use your ring finger and center of your eyes. Very, very gentle. Then massage around the eyes with the ring finger. And each of these counts you can do for about 15 times. Here. The cheeks, then you can go like this. Okay, then we're going to lift up. One hand following the other, the side. Now for the nose, we go up and then tap the nostrils like this. And for the mouth, since it's one muscle, we go round and round. This is only a single muscle. Do this 15 times this way and 15 times the opposite direction. Then let's go on to the double chin with a scissor movement. Tap up the double chin if you have a double chin. And now we go on to the neck. From here, drain it down, give 2 big circles, in fact. 1 big circle down, so that it goes up and down. Okay.